Okay, I'm going to show you how to make these really cool, realistic looking leaves. Well, I don't know, that's an opinion. Anyway, specifically, one that's curved. Okay, a little harder to do, a little different kind of a setup. So, you know, you start with a blank, and the important thing is to get that curve in there. And that's what I've done here, just by banging it. Getting that crease in there, like so. See, doesn't that look easy? Anyway, then we want to open it up a little bit. We got to see that curved crease that we put in there. Now we can let loose. But I think this is what we'll do here. It's nice to have a little wrinkle in the leaf sometimes. Leaves come in all shapes and sizes. In all phases of life. You don't want all your leaves to look like they're fresh. It'll look like you're making a fake plant. It's not really hard to do, it's just a look of determination, okay? It is just copper. But it likes to be hammered. Okay, at a certain point, we move to this phase. This is my specially prepared planishing hammer that I made from a drywall hammer. It doesn't have a knife sharp edge, it's flat. It doesn't weigh too much, so you can make hundreds of leaves before you drop. There we go. Make a nice little crease to attach the stem later. And then when this is patinaed, it'll look really trippy and cool and green like that. Dig it? See ya.